Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. So my name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news update as they drop all over the world. So for now, let's start today's news. Alright, so Howard Webb will be the PGMOL chief. They'll come as like when they do that their usual mic top program that they do for Sky Sports with the Mikel and co, where they will analyze some kind questionable calls we don't happen for EPL matches. So one of the questionable calls where they talk about now be that Odegaard incident against Liverpool. Where we see Odegaard the fall, cause his hand break in fall, the hand can't touch the ball. So I will do a point of say after they don't review the match tape and the VAR call, everything, say the referee on that day and the VAR team, they got it wrong. Say the outcome we then give for the match, for that incident, no be the desired outcome. Say Liverpool supposed to get a penalty for that match. Say because if you watch am, say after Odegaard breaking fall, then Odegaard come bring his hand back, and I say bring his hand back, now his hand can't touch the ball. Now your own explanation with that. So whether I did deliberate or whether I did accidental, the team be say he made his body bigger so he can like take advantage. He can't touch ball. So for that reason, it should have been a penalty. Now be his own argument. So I been wait till I go talk about that one we happened to us. Where we say against I think West Ham, where we never know whether the ball go out or the ball. I don't know. I don't see anything about that, but it is what it is now. The news when they go viral, when they say okay, well, they say Liverpool should have gotten a penalty. Even Klopp was saying that, say they're supposed to get penalty, but it is what it is. You don't pass, we say you don't pass. All these things say they happen to us most times. So maybe Liverpool say just suck it up and don't complain. They happen. It's part of football. Alright, so away from that, so Juventus, from what they hear, say Juventus they open to letting Moiskin leave for January in any formula. In fact, Juventus don't offer Moiskin to English clubs, Arsenal inclusive, so whether anybody will take the guy on loan. So now waiting with the really see happening there. Now for that Serie A, nobody this Moiskin, even Renato Sanchez. So Roma talks they don't want the guy again because Roma collected the guy from PSG on loan. I don't know what's happened. They say Mourinho said don't come up for there, so they're the final coach. So Roma said they don't want Renato Sanchez on loan again, make him go back to PSG. PSG they say no space for him to come back. So they need another club to take him on loan. You get so Arsenal the scam. Many people are watching the situation because I remember somewhere Renato Sanchez did, I think it was PSV. It was playing very well. Arsenal the scam pan there, but because PSG gets, I think it was a buyback clause, they can't collect the guy back. So Renato Sanchez is available in the market on loan. It don't cost too much. Moiskin also is available on the market on loan. Moiskin is a striker. This Moiskin don't come in PL before. Played under Everton. I know that one. I remember. Yes, he did well, did badly. Now I go analyze that. So let me know your thoughts. Yes, whether I make Arsenal go for this Renato Sanchez or this Moiskin, because as I tell you now, this is information that is in the public domain. So even the Arteta self, they know all these things. Yes, but now whether they feel say the player will make sense for us. Even Fabrizio Romano gone for the advice to make Arsenal not even go get this Renato Sanchez. I don't know what to be Fabrizio Romano interest. Say the guy don't go fit, no go they fit for purpose for Arsenal. He gets so well. Personally, Fabrizio calling someone go get 9B Martin Zubimendi. But that answer shocked me. Alright, so Sky Sports gonna interview Osimhen. Yes, so they're gonna ask him how far would be in plans for the EPL. So Baba Kodito say one day, say he get this interest. He would like to go play for the EPL sometime in the future. But for now, he still get unfinished business for Napoli. Yeah, so we never really get any plan to come up for the same get other plans. So that's when you can talk, come make many people say, I'm gonna say if Chelsea put money down for this guy, so this guy will come EPL because he likes Chelsea and Manchester United based on the things we don't talk in the past. Say for his house, he get Manchester United jersey and he get Chelsea jersey. So if those two offer him money, now then gonna look up to get before he can join Arsenal. So now the way people they see him, so hope just watch today at 17. So we'll know whether who and who see they make movements for the transfer window, because surprisingly everybody's still quiet. So we'll just watch. At the end of the day, we'll see what will happen. Alright, away from that, so at the same time, Fabrizio Romano Collector say Martin Zubimendi is happy at Real Sociedad and won't be leaving in this January. So Babasi advise Arsenal say if not for this summer, Arsenal fit go there, go bust everywhere. The guy get buyout cost about 50 plus million. So some go there, go carry the player. So for this January, you may nobody mention Martin Zubimendi name again because according to Fabrizio Romano, saying sources they tell him say the guy know they leave Real Sociedad this January. That's the team say January itself. I remember one time when some guy said this January transfer will make them scrap him because it don't really make any sense. Most clubs they like to sell their prize assets for January unless maybe the coach and that player get their issue. Maybe then they quarrel. That's usually the only reason we make clubs. They usually sell some kind of people. Or maybe somebody that feels say that surplus to requirement. Like who sells their best player in January? Who? Unless an ambitionless club. Nobody does that. Alright, so at the same time, so we're going to hear from Turkish media and sports witness. Say Galatasaray already open to offers for Sachaboui, their right back, and they offer how much 70 million plus, about 20 million euros. And they say Arsenal said they interested in signing Sachaboui. So now we say the price not today high because Arsenal are in the market for a fullback. So that is very, very key. Whether a right back or whether a left back, or we are in the market because if they buy a right back, we can easily switch Tomiyasu over to the left. So either way, anyone will get. In fact, one of the right backs with me, I go like no go sign. I have this Bayer Leverkusen right back, Jeremy Frimpong. That guy is like a winger. Go and watch the goals we don't score this season. The guy they play very, very well. They dribble, they pace, they wipe shots. So that guy, and another person will say, if you find that guy for like maybe near Saka, saying with Saka they control that right wing, or more, that place will make a whole lot of sense. But at the end of the day, more just they count our days. Get to at 17, we just they count them till everything will end. So we know whether Arsenal will put their money where their mouth is. We just to watch. Alright, so away from that, Fabrizio Romano also come to tell us categorically, says Cedric Suarez is going to be leaving Arsenal this January. That was about the talk. And when I saw that report, I just smiled because this is somebody that you can say he's surplus to requirements, he's just earning salary, not adding anything fruitful to the team. So if they fit sell him, I don't know how much you want command. IS 10 million, 5 million. So when they just collect them and those wages they repay, at least that one don't cancel. They will look for how we take add more money to buy something because if we sell them, obviously we need to get a replacement because Besiktas are really breathing down Arsenal's neck. So they really want the player to sign for them. So that one is another good thing. Yeah, so once we sell them, they will look who and who still for Arsenal, average players. Where we say, or less than average gone because it's not really the place. So what are you doing here? So we need to sell some of all these people. So I just said that I know this one itself, it make me happy. Alright, so Football London, let us know say Arsenal don't make an offer for Wolves left back, what they call Ryan Aitzwuri. This guy don't play 19 games for Wolves this season already. So Arsenal made an offer, although the offer has been rejected because the guy is a mainstay for Wolves team. Again, Wolves they play very well. Now Wolves they ask for £50 million and above. That's what Football London is saying. So the thing is, like what they talk, if we get that £50 million and above, she like this Awari will go they fine. For add more money, go buy another person. So that don't even understand. So I don't think Arsenal are willing to be spending. This one, just the talk. I don't think Arsenal are willing to be spending 50 million plus on a fullback. You get? I don't think it will be happening. You get? But it's time to be corrected. They are Arsenal shock us. So more just to watch out as they go. How the player they play, me I never really see how they play. But I know say Wolves now tiki taka team, Wolves now team maybe say they know how to play on the ball. They play from the back. So I believe say for you to play 19 times this season for Wolves, you are a mainstay, you are in the first level. That means you are good to some extent. That would me I won't believe. So I don't know how many of them I don't really watch it. But if I watch Wolves, people why they pay attention to Nachan, Pedro Neto, Ruben Neves of that year, now all those people are the Semedo, all those people now they pay. I don't really look at fullback. Then this Dawson, we come for sports. So those are the people who say the main talents why they look at. So I don't really look this Awari. Me, I don't know him before, but it is what it is. I believe say if we are interested in him, he will do good. But more just to watch. That only guarantee so we will sign the guy at the end of the day. But more just to watch. Alright, so the EPL, the Premier League executive chief, what they call Richard Musk, so Barbara Commercial Corrector say they don't get trial dates for the case between the EPL and Man City for the 115 profit and sustainability regulation charge, that is the FFP charge, they get against Man City. So the independent commission will hear the case, then the Premier League prosecutors will tender their own evidence and bring up their case. Then Man City and their own lawyers will defend and tender their own evidence. So, but they can't ask and say, what will be the date? He say, you know, we'll make them public, but the dates don't they set. Now, last year, February, now they give Man City this charge. Let them know, say, we get enough for mine. You get, for us, now they guilty, but maybe like say, we go enough for mine, we'll carry the matter, go give an independent commission, make them reason now. So, independent commission now go listen to the case. So, Arsenal, Spurs, Liverpool, everybody they wait to see the outcome, because at the end of the day we'll come to a logical conclusion of this case. So we'll see what will happen at the end of the day. Are they going to get demoted to maybe Championship or League 1, League 2? Because if they give Everton to get one breach, 10-point deduction, what they can do to Man City get 115 breaches? Out of that 115 breaches, how many they go fit defend? You get? Because the FA prosecutors believe they have a good case. Say this case, Ashola, Tina Banga, you get. Although Man City then said they get the defenders of the universe, Voltron, say they will defend themselves. Well, at the end of the day, we'll see how the case will turn out. Now, while Laporte will be the president of Barcelona, he don't add Mikel Arteta name for shortlist for those who go replace Xavi Hernandez. Now, Xavi, I don't know what they do this season, is like 8 points behind Girona and Real Madrid. Like, they know they play up to, look at how Real Madrid blast them, like 4-1. Like, Real Madrid, they beat them like small picky. This season, they've become a shadow of themselves. I don't know what's happening. And for the fact say they don't get that financial leeway, get FFP, they really choke them. They cannot buy the players they want. Instead, they buy finished goods, retired people, old people, free agents. Now back at the park. Yeah, so that's just the sad reality for Barcelona. So the reason why Laporta really likes Mikel Arteta, so you don't put his name there, say you are part of those, I want to use your replacing. Although caught offside, I say at the end of the report when I was reading it, they can say Arsenal no go ever let Mikel Arteta go with the way their projects on the Arsenal hierarchy. Remember, I said Fabrizio even talk about in the past. The Arsenal hierarchy, director of football, all those in charge of the helm of affairs at Arsenal, they are really happy with Mikel Arteta's progress. Gets so they believe say by the time when they give us some money, he gets probably in this window or in the next window, he go fit buy the remaining pieces of the puzzle, which is a striker, fullback, maybe another midfielder, and we go again. So that's what he does. So my dear Arsenal lovers, if you don't watch yesterday, you should check the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the thumbnail. Click on so that I get all Arsenal update as they drop all over the world. So Cedric signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day. That game out.